What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, you can ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. Also, watch out for those scammers and impersonators of me down below. You'll notice me if I have a gray banner behind my name. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video we have MyDefiPet. This is an already more popular game, but I'm here to just give you an introduction overall on how the website works, what are they planning on doing, and stuff like that, their tokenomics, and yeah. So you can see here that they're already $4.54 or 4.54 cents, and this is already a pretty big project. You can see that's ranked 649 and 34,000 on watch list. And then you can check the Twitter right here and see how many followers they have. They have a bunch of followers, 117k followers. And then here you can see their market cap is only 31 million, which does not make sense. For some reason it's only 31 million, but yet it's really popular, and it doesn't make sense basically. So here you can see that it's already on KuCoin, Gate.io, and PancakeSwap. So this is already a well-made game. It's MyDefiPet. It's made by a great team. You can see that they're already doing well and everything. Here you can see that the coin started on private sale about 4 cents, and then it started a public sale on 8 cents, and then you can see that it's already surpassed that and went on an all-time high of around $9.28. And then there's a total supply of 100 million, but there's only 6.8 million DPET tokens out there. So they're also doing a great job at holding their tokens back and not burning all of them fast or giving out every single token already. So here is their Twitter. You can see that they're pretty active already, so that's a great point. If a project is not active, that means they're not great. And then here on their main website, you can see that this is their main website. They've already got cool designs. You can scroll down, you'll see about MyDefiPet. MyDefiPet is a virtual pet game that combines DeFi, collectibles, and your own personality. MyDefi is operated on supported network including Binance Smart Chain and Cardia Chain. So Cardia Chain is a different chain from Binance Smart Chain, and you can learn more by just checking it out right here. Then you have the pet tokenomics. So this is the tokenomics or token allocations here. And you can see that the private sales start at 4 cents and public sales start at 8 cents. So that's really good. And but on private sale they did give out more tokens, obviously, of 20.5 million, and here 2.25 million. So you can see here that 2.5% goes to DEX liquidity, 3% goes to advisor, 10% goes to partner, 16.5% goes to the team, 2.3% goes to the public, 2.5% goes to private, and 27% goes to the market. So yeah, you can learn more on the summary and here on the graphs. And then here you have the features, so you can collect, breed, evolve, and then there's season, events, and you can battle, trading, ranking, and social features. So that's really good. They've got like leagues and stuff, and their game is actually pretty cool, like something that's not out of the ordinary. So you can see that this is a DPET token. You can find the official contract address on their main website, which I'll link down below. And you can also find their coin market cap, and then just go here and click this website link. Then you have the token economics. So there's in-game currency that you can use, which is using the DPET token. You've got governance, you got staking, you got play to earn. So play to earn is obviously one of the main things that I would cover on my channel, since nobody doesn't like play to earn. So here you can see that this is their team. So you can see that they're using like animation or like an animated type of character here, faces and stuff like that. Then you got their investors and backers. So you can see that there's these companies, and you can just click on them and you'll find them there. Then you have the partners. So obviously you got different partners you can also click. You have Cardia Chain also, and the exchange and everything else here. Then you've got their socials all down here if you really want to find them. you can contact them obviously. So here you're gonna click play now, and you're gonna connect your BSC Smart Chain wallet right here, it will say, and then it's gonna load up this cool UI, and you can make this full screen too, just like that. And then you got the world boss, game, news, library, and dashboards on the left, so you can use it. And once you load it into a game, you'll see that you have this little station that you can use, and you have your tokens and stuff up here that you can also use, you can see. And then you can click on stuff here like the staking center. You can click on everything like the market, the pet hotel, the main house, and there's many different locations, library, and happy forest. You know, this is stuff for your pets, by the way. This is all just for your pets. You like staking probably for the tokens or your pets. Then you got the pet hotel where you keep your pets and stuff like that. And honestly, this is where you would like grow your pets. You'd have your pets here, like basically they're 24/7 gonna be in this area around here. So this is basically just growing your pets, you know, feeding them, stuff like that, just normal stuff that you do in real life too. And yeah, this is their game. Now since I don't have pets, I obviously can't just start doing random stuff, you know, and show you how to do it. But if I do, I'll have that for another video. Then you have the world boss, so you click BSC chain and you'll see that there's different world boss events here. Then you got the news for the game, news for the website, news for the platform. Then you also got tutorials for the boss fights. You got the library, so FAQ, knowledge base, chat, contact, and etc. Now obviously some features are also in development, so watch out for that. You can see here like dashboards is in development, but the game is still working. The game is completely fine. You can do whatever on the game that they have you can do. So yeah, this is basically an overall introduction to the whole platform and guide and everything. So yeah, so this is just an overview, and really that's it. So if I have another video of the game, I'm gonna let you know, guys, in my Discord and Telegram, so follow that. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend, and I'll see you guys later.